Hello everyone, good evening and welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me tonight. Today I'm going to offer you some Kikuyu basics. For those who are interested to know about my language, this is the right place to be. So we're going to start right away from the basics. And this is like when somebody asks you, how are you? This is how you answer. This is how you say it. We muega, we muega. Or if there are many people, like how are you people? This is how you say it. Moriega, moriega. And for example, if you want to say I am fine, this is how you say it. De muega, de muega. Or you people can say, if you are many, toriega, toriega. So let's go ahead. If somebody asks you, where do you come from? Like, I come from Kenya. So this is how you say it. Nyumete Kenya. Nyumete Kenya. Or you can even say nie, meaning me, nyumete Kenya. I come from Kenya. Me or I, nie, nyumete Kenya. I come from Kenya. Let's say somebody asks you, where do you live? You want to answer, for example, I live in Nairobi. So this is how you say it. Nie jikaraga Nairobi. Nie jikaraga Nairobi. Nie is me. Jikaraga, I live Nairobi. I live in Nairobi. If somebody asks you, how old are you? I am 20 years old, for example. This is how you answer this. Nie dena miaka mirogo eri. Nie, me, dena miaka, I am, so and so, 20 years. Mirogo eri. Nie dena miaka mirogo eri. Let's move to something different, and I'm going to teach you about the numbers, like when you want to count from 1 to 10. We're going to start right away from 1. Emwe, igere, idato, inya, ithano, ithathatũ, mũgwanja, inyanya, kenda, ikũmi. Ĩmwe, igĩrĩ, ithatũ, inya, ithano, 5, ithathatũ, 6, mũgwanja, 7, inyanya, 8, kenda, 9, ikũmi. Ikũmi is 10. Like when you want to say, I have 10 shillings. Dena shirigi ikũmi. Shillings, you call it shirigi ikũmi. Ikũmi is 10. So, let's say, for example, you want to answer something with using the word yes. Like, for example, have you eaten today? You want to say yes. Yes is neguo. Neguo. Or you can even say a. Or if you want to say no, asha. Asha. Neguo is yes. Asha is no. This is how you put it. So, like when you want to say omode. Omode. Okay. When you want to say like today, how do you call today? Today is omode. 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 Okay, let's say you want to say tomorrow. Tomorrow you say roshu. 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 So I'm going to also go to another level, and I'm going to show you how you call feminine and male people. So if you want to address a woman or a small girl or a young woman, a lady, a small girl is called kairetu. Kairetu. A young lady or a lady, as a young woman who is past 18, is called moiretu. Moiretu. A woman who is past an elderly woman, or a woman who has a family, who is already married, is called motumia. Motumia. Well, if you go to the other gender, the male gender, this is how you also name them. You have to be very careful with the male people, because sometimes if you tend to use the wrong name or you address them in the wrong way, this can be viewed as being really disrespectful. That's why you have to be really careful of how you address a young man or also an elderly young man. So for a very, very little boy, this is how you call him: kamwana, or kemwana, or kahe. Kahe is a really, really young boy. Let's say at the ages of 2 to 5, or even below 2. Kahe. Well, beyond that, this is how you call them: kemwana, kemwana, kemwana. Beyond the ages of 5 to 18, a man who is not yet circumcised, you can address him like kemwana, kemwana. So a man who is already circumcised or is past circumcision, this is exactly where you have to be really careful with your words or how you address them. So you have to address him like mwanake. 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 Mwanake is that man or young man who is already circumcised. So, and a man who has a family, who has already married or past mwanake, is called modhuri. Modhuri. Well, if you are addressing a grandma, this is how you call her: shosho, shosho. If you are addressing a grandpa, this is how you call him: guka, guka, guka. Well, this is the end of my video tonight. Thanks for joining me, and thanks so much for having learned something from me. I hope you are able to go along with me, and if you have some comments or some positive things or also some critics, you can just drop them down there, and we are going to meet to catch up next time. Goodbye and good night. Bye.